Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel. I am so glad you're with us. And today we're talking about the Amazon Colorsoft. We've had a few videos on this, and we got a lot of people that have ordered it and discussing it and thinking about ordering it. And I want to give you an update. So on Reddit, a couple days ago, they had this big issue of the Colorsoft has a yellow tinge on the bottom of the display. And there's some pictures here of showing it as a problem. And I'll show you that where there's some yellow tinge. I am not getting that, okay? But here's the deal. I want to bring this up because Amazon has addressed it. They've been talking to people on Reddit, sending information. There's some articles on this actually about, Amazon actually going after this. The Verge had some articles. There's some on PC Magazine. And it seems like they are now delaying the shipment. So from what it sounds like is it does sound like okay, so here's one. Amazon just called me from Seattle. They asked me a bunch of questions and they explained they're collecting data and working on a software solution, as we all know. And they explained that they would follow up with that soon. Ooh, this thing just jumped on me. They would follow up with that. So it's interesting to see what's going on. The Colorsoft right now is 2.6 out of 5 stars, making it the lowest rated Kindle e-reader. So some people are getting upset with it. So we're going to have to see what they do. Now, I will tell you, I'm using this Kindle e-reader and I'm enjoying it. And you can see the colors are pretty bright because one of the things one of the users says is to go into settings and make sure where you see screen and brightness, you turn on vivid, color style, vivid. It does make a difference. Now, I would tell you, I am not reading much in color on this. So I got a couple new books, Mind Magic. What else did I get over here? There's a couple new books I just grabbed in my library. And you can see the colors are pretty good, but they're black and white. Like I don't need color. Like I typically read these books in just black and white. So for me, it's a little overkill. And we've discussed this on the channel that I think the color is a little bit of an overkill, but I am not having the yellowish problem. Are you having it for other users so they know? I believe Kindle is addressing the issue, but we do have some issues with it. Again, lowest rated Kindle Colorsoft here we've got. Unfortunately, they're having some issues like anything that comes out. This color e-ink space is still kind of a trouble one. You know, I'm using a Remarkable Paper Pro with a little flash on it, but again, or the refresh on it. I just use the yellow kind of highlight. I don't use a lot of the colors, and that's a totally different device for note-taking. But I think we still got a little ways to go with e-ink color, and I don't know if it's really necessary on a Kindle. I just don't know. I mean, notes and highlights. I mean, we got a bunch of reasons in a couple of videos, which were great. But for me personally, the Kindle Paperwhite worked just fine. But I did buy this to kind of test it. And again, I'm not having this problem, but I want to report this problem that it is being announced and they are addressing it. But have you heard from Amazon? I would like to know in the comments. Have you heard from Amazon? Have you got a fix for it? Do you have this problem? And again, not so much for me, but for other people that are watching this video and going, hey, JB, do you have any information on the Amazon Kindle? So my only suggestion as came to me from a user in a comment was turn on Vivid for the colors. It does make a difference in your settings as I showed you. And then I don't know if color, if you really don't need color, probably staying with the Kindle Paperwhite is the way to go. But let me know your opinions down below. Again, a quick update on the Amazon Kindle Colorsoft. A few minor problems, ratings going down. They are addressing them. We'll wait and see if they're fixed, but I have not noticed a problem on mine. How about you? Let me know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.